What's up everybody, it's Ram Naresh Jha, your AI guru Jay, back with another video. We're diving deep into 21 game-changing tools that are about to revolutionize the way you work. From AI-powered video editing software to tools that write your code for you, we're covering it all. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone who wants to get things done faster and smarter, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. First up, we've got Guidde. Guidde lets you create super clear step-by-step tutorials with guided video recordings. Imagine onboarding a new team member with a perfect, repeatable tutorial in minutes. It's perfect for educators, trainers, anyone who needs to explain something visually. You can even use it to create personalized how-to videos for your customers. No steep learning curve here. Just jump in and start creating. Trust me, once you go Guidde, you won't go back. Before we dive into these amazing tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join me on this journey of learning and growth. Together, we'll stay ahead of the curve with the latest tech trends. Next up, we're talking video editing, and let's be real, in 2025, video is king. CapCut is a mobile-friendly video editor packed with pro-level features. Slick transitions, eye-catching effects, and a library of templates make editing a breeze. CapCut is blowing up on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. If you're looking to up your social media game, CapCut is the tool you need. Get ready to have your mind blown because Runway Gen 2 is about to change the way you think about creativity. This AI-powered tool takes text-to-video generation to a whole new level. Imagine typing in a description and watching as Runway Gen 2 transforms your words into stunning visuals in real time. No more struggling with complex animation software or spending hours trying to find the perfect stock footage. This is the future of video creation, and it's available right now. Chapter 4. Tumeryk, your cybersecurity guardian angel. In the digital age, protecting your data is more crucial than ever. Tumeryk provides real-time threat detection and monitoring. It anticipates threats using advanced machine learning algorithms. It's like having a cybersecurity expert constantly watching over your shoulder. No more sleepless nights worrying about data breaches or cyber attacks. With Tumeryk on your side, you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Chapter 5. Tenable, fortifying your digital fortress. Tenable provides a 360-degree view of your entire IT infrastructure. It identifies weaknesses and vulnerabilities that you might not even know exist. Tenable provides actionable insights and recommendations to help you remediate those weaknesses. It's like having a personalized security consultant on call 24/7, ensuring that your digital fortress is always one step ahead of the bad guys. Chapter 6. UltaHost, your data's impregnable fortress. UltaHost offers high-security hosting with uptime reliability. It's the bedrock foundation for your digital fortress. Your website, data, and online presence are hosted on servers designed with security and stability as top priorities. Combine UltaHost with Tumeryk for the ultimate protection combo. Chapter 7. TestSprite, squashing bugs before they hatch. TestSprite simplifies testing, allowing you to identify and squash bugs faster. It can automate many aspects of the testing process. Say goodbye to manual testing and hello to increased efficiency. TestSprite is like having an extra pair of eyes on your code. Chapter 8. Devin, the future of coding is here. Devin is an AI engineer that can write and debug code faster than any human developer. Imagine handing over a challenging coding problem to Devin and getting a solution in minutes. Devin is the perfect example of how AI is augmenting human capabilities. It's the future coder. Chapter 9. Wegic, your AI-powered problem solver. Wegic automates tasks, prioritizes your to-do list, and predicts potential roadblocks. It's like having a personal assistant who can see the big picture. Wegic learns from your work habits and preferences, becoming more intuitive over time. It's the perfect example of how AI can adapt to our individual needs. Let's talk about organization, the cornerstone of any productive workflow. Notion is your digital brain, a centralized hub for all your ideas, plans, and information. No more scattered notes, lost files, or forgotten deadlines. With Notion, everything is organized, accessible, and always at your fingertips. Utilize Notion's vast library of templates to save time and streamline your workflow. Let's be real, our inboxes can feel like bottomless pits of despair. Grok declutters your inbox, organizing emails into actionable tasks. Imagine opening your inbox to see a clean, organized list of tasks. Grok analyzes your emails, identifies action items, and suggests relevant deadlines. With Grok, you can finally achieve inbox zero and reclaim your sanity. We're living in the age of automation, and Repai is here to revolutionize the way you work. Repai takes aim at repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up your time. Think about all those mundane tasks you do every day: data entry, invoice processing, scheduling appointments. Repai can automate them all, allowing you to focus on the work that truly matters. With Repai, you can finally break free from the shackles of repetitive tasks. Chapter 13, Jasper AI, your wordsmith on demand. Jasper AI is your wordsmith on demand, revolutionizing the way you create content. Think of Jasper as your personal writing partner, always there to help you find the right words. Combine Jasper with Vyond for a complete content marketing powerhouse. Imagine generating captivating written content with Jasper and then bringing it to life with stunning animated videos created with Vyond. Chapter 14, Writesonic, from spark to campaign in a flash. Writesonic specializes in taking short, initial ideas and expanding them into compelling ad campaigns. Generate high-converting copy that captures attention and drives conversions. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call. With Writesonic, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a constant stream of fresh, engaging content. Chapter 15, Vyond, unleash your inner animator. Vyond makes creating stunning animated videos easier than ever before. This intuitive platform allows you to create professional quality videos without any prior animation experience. Vyond's library of templates, characters, and props makes it easy to bring your vision to life. Imagine generating compelling scripts with Jasper and then bringing them to life with Vyond's engaging animations. Prepare to enter a world where imagination knows no bounds. Welcome to the realm of Midjourney, an AI art generator that's redefining the boundaries of creativity. Imagine typing in a few descriptive words and watching as Midjourney transforms your words into breathtaking works of art. It's like having a personal AI artist at your disposal. Midjourney is your gateway to a universe of creative possibilities. Adobe, the undisputed king of creative software, is pushing the boundaries with Adobe Firefly. This suite of AI-powered tools enhances your design workflow with a touch of artificial intelligence. Firefly's AI-powered image search finds the perfect match for your project. It can also generate color palettes, suggest font pairings, and create entire design layouts. It's like having a team of expert designers at your disposal. Calling all gamers, game developers, and digital artists, Leonardo AI is here to revolutionize the way you create and experience interactive worlds. This powerful AI art generator is tailor-made for the gaming industry. Imagine developing an epic fantasy RPG and populating your world with hundreds of unique characters. Leonardo AI generates a vast library of high-quality game-ready assets. It's a creativity enhancer, allowing you to experiment with different art styles. In the age of big data, the ability to extract meaningful insights is paramount to success. AnthropC helps businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions by analyzing vast data sets. Think of AnthropC as your virtual data scientist, uncovering hidden patterns and opportunities. Whether you're optimizing marketing campaigns or forecasting sales trends, AnthropC empowers you to make informed decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that allows you to peer into the future of your business. Vyond AI, demystifying AI for everyone. Artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our lives. Vyond AI breaks down the barriers to AI adoption, empowering businesses of all sizes. Vyond AI is a no-code AI platform that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage AI models. With Vyond AI's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can create custom AI solutions tailored to your specific business needs. Chapter 21. Sometimes you need an AI solution that's as unique as your business. NL Pearl AI offers custom-built AI solutions tailored to your specific needs. Think of NL Pearl AI as your AI concierge, ready to craft a bespoke AI solution. It's like having a team of AI architects and engineers at your disposal. And there you have it, folks. 21 powerful tools that are shaping the future of productivity in 2025 and beyond. From AI-powered video editors and writing assistants to cybersecurity guardians and no-code AI platforms, these tools are designed to streamline your workflow. So which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button, Subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns and smash that notification bell. Until next time, stay productive, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with the power of technology.